Hey, have you ever wondered how machines understand and interact with human language almost as well as we do? It's all in the realm of natural language processing, or NLP. With the ever-growing amount of information available to us, particularly in the form of text, understanding and processing this language becomes not just a convenience but a necessity for any enterprise. Enter Microsoft Azure's AI Fundamentals series. This tutorial takes you through everything you need to know about NLP, especially as powered by Microsoft Azure. Imagine you are trying to figure out the sentiment behind a customer's feedback on your product. That's where sentiment analysis comes in. It can quickly give you insight into what customers are feeling without sifting through thousands of comments yourself. Or consider a world without Google Translate or Skype. Translating languages in real time requires powerful NLP techniques. Azure AI is at the forefront of this technology. It offers services that can analyze text, recognize speech, understand named entities, and even converse with humans using sophisticated chatbots. And the best part? You don't have to be a machine learning expert to utilize these services. By integrating Azure's pre-built NLP models and APIs into your applications, you are able to add complex language processing capabilities with minimal setup. From sentiment analysis to language translation and voice recognition, Azure gives you the tools to leverage NLP for customer service, content moderation, and much more. Let's start with the basics. When we talk about NLP, we are referring to various methods the system uses to get insights from text or speech. To put this into perspective, Azure Cognitive Services provide a suite of built-in services that cater to these needs. Take Azure Text Analytics for instance, which can identify key phrases, entities, and even emotions from written content. When you are building NLP applications on Azure, you'd typically begin with setting up recognition services, analyzing text and speech inputs, and then using the insights to drive outputs. But Azure simplifies the process drastically with their user-friendly interfaces and pre-trained models. If you are looking at using Azure's offerings, keep in mind your goals. Are you aiming to analyze the tone of customer feedback, summarize large documents, or develop an AI-powered voice assistant? These objectives will help guide your architecture planning. Let's delve a bit deeper into Azure's text and speech processing capabilities. Once set up, Azure services can perform tasks like transcribing audio files into text, recognizing speech from text, and extracting meaning from sentences. When it comes to text, Azure Text Analytics provides detailed analysis of language patterns and can even provide translation services in multiple languages. It's easy to see how these tools can transform your business. Take chatbots, for example. With Azure, you could create a service that understands customer inquiries, provides helpful solutions, and learns over time. Or, consider the power of sentiment analysis in monitoring social media. Azure can help you gauge public opinion about your brand or products based on online discussions and comments. Now, implementing NLP on Azure isn't without its complexities. However, Azure provides a seamless API integration, which eases the process for business professionals, eliminating the need to delve into machine learning intricacies. You merely define what you want to achieve, and Azure takes care of the rest. Let's briefly touch on another pillar, computer vision, which often works hand in hand with NLP. Azure Vision capabilities can extract text from images, allowing for the analysis of visual content containing textual data. It's truly remarkable how Azure AI services can make the leap from research labs to everyday business applications. By leveraging NLP through a platform like Azure, it's a lot easier to tap into data insights that drive better decision-making and improved customer experiences. As we wrap up this exploration, remember that continuous learning is key in the rapidly evolving world of AI. Stay tuned to Azure's tech developments, because the future of NLP holds limitless possibilities that could revolutionize how we interact with technology and each other. I've barely scratched the surface, but I hope this gives you a clearer window into the world of NLP with Microsoft Azure. If this journey piqued your interest in enterprise-grade AI, I'd encourage you to take a deep dive. So, to get started on your AI adventure, visit Neeraj.io, subscribe to TechLab, and embrace the world of Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals.